Hi, my name is Andy Vargas. Welcome back to my channel, King Daddy 231. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to assemble your porch swing right here. Let's get started. I bought my porch on Walmart.com, one of my favorite stores. Here's the name of it. If you want a porch, the same one, you can find it at Walmart. Here are all the piece. It comes with letters. Everything comes with letters, so you don't get confused. Here's the cushions, the 6 of the piece. Here are the screw and the tools that you're gonna need. And it comes with 2 book of instructions. One in English and another one in Spanish. So if you prefer English, you could use the English one. If you prefer Spanish, you could use the Spanish one. Once you open your instructions, it comes and it tells you letters and how many pieces you got. You see? B, you got 4 of these. C, you only got 1 of these. D, you only got 2. And you continue reading, and I'm going to tell you letters and how many it comes, so you don't get confused. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to build your frame. You're going to need 1A, 4B, 2D, and 1C. Now that you got your frame done, we're ready to assemble the swing. Now you're ready to use your EEs. You got 4 EEs for these. You got 2 eyes. And you got your 1 J. Now that you got your swing ready, we're ready to connect it. And we're almost done. Now you're ready to put your cushion. That's it. And that's it. You got your swing together. It's missing the top, but I'm not gonna put it because I'm using this on my porch. I'm not using this on my back. So I'm gonna leave it like this, but it's all done. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this video helped you how to assemble your porch swing. If you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment, share it. Let me know what you think about it. And I'm gonna enjoy my swing.